Hello, everyone. Today, I talk about how I study English every day. I study English because I want to travel. I want to talk to people from different countries. I also want to feel more confident. My routine is simple. I try to study a little every day. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Before I check my phone, I study English for 15 minutes. First, I listen to a short English audio. It is about daily life, food, or travel. I do not understand every word. That's okay. I try to understand the general meaning. Sometimes I write 2 or 3 new words. Then I read 1 or 2 pages from an easy English book. If I see a new word often, I write it in my notebook. I also write a simple sentence. In the afternoon, I study again. I use an English app on my phone for about 20 minutes. The app helps me learn words and simple grammar. I like the speaking practice. I record my voice and listen to it. It feels a little strange, but it helps me. After that, I watch a short English video. First, I watch without stopping. Then I watch again and repeat the sentences. In the evening, I write in my English diary. I write for about 10 minutes. I write about my day or my feelings. For example, today I tried new food. It was very good. I do not worry about mistakes. I just write. Before I sleep, I review my vocabulary. I try to remember the words. Then I make one simple sentence. On weekends, I have more time. I watch an English movie or listen to English songs. Sometimes I join an online speaking group. I speak slowly and I feel a little nervous. But people are kind and they help me. Some days I feel tired. Sometimes I study only 5 minutes. That is okay. I just try to study every day. Small steps help me improve. My English is not perfect, but I'm getting better. Last month, I understood more English. Now, I feel more comfortable. If you are learning English, remember this: study a little every day. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Practice, listen, and speak. You will improve step by step. That is my daily English routine. It is simple, but it works for me. How do you study English? Write 3 sentences in the comments. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.